Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Today I quickly wanted to talk about investing and younger investors, teenage investors. There's been a lot of new viewers on the channel, a lot of younger investors asking if they're able to get on to Robinhood, if they're able to start buying and selling stocks on the stock market. One of the more recent inquiries was from Opal OA, who writes, I'm 16 years old and want to start investing. How do I start? So unfortunately, you do have to be 18 years old to start investing, but if you're 18 or older, you can definitely open a Robinhood account or any other brokerage account for that matter and start investing. So I have my Robinhood app open here. I'm in the help section of the account. If we click on Help Center on top, a new menu will pop up that will show a number of different options, including sign up process. If we click on sign up process, you can see there's a tab titled Account Opening Requirements. If we click on that, you can see all of the very basic requirements to open an account. And you can see there on top, you have to be 18 years or older. So if you're 18, if you're 19, if you're right out of high school, or maybe you're still in high school, does not matter. If you're 18, you have a social security number, you are a legal U.S., or actually you just have to have a legal U.S. residence, just an address, and you're a U.S. citizen, U.S. permanent resident, or have a valid U.S. visa, you are able to start investing on the stock market. So that's with Robinhood, that's with E-Trade, Vanguard, a number of other brokerage accounts, but you can definitely start trading on Robinhood. So unfortunately, a lot of the younger viewers on the channel, if you're not 18, you cannot start investing on the stock market, but if you're 18, 19, older than that, you can definitely open an account and start investing. And if you ever have watched my other videos, prior videos, you know, getting into the stock market, the earlier you can, the better it is later down the road. So if you can get in when you're 18 or 19, put some money into the market and start doing some dollar cost averaging, value cost averaging, picking buy and hold stocks like VOO, a number of other great index ETFs. Simply put money in over the long term, you are definitely going to have a much, much higher rate of return when you're getting closer to taking that money out for retirement or whatever purpose you want that money to be used for. Because the power of investing on the stock market is the number of years. So the number of years that you invest, each additional year, you have a lot more return on your money because of compounding, because of a lot of different things that work over time. The more time you have your money working for you, the better rate of return. So if you can get into the market, even if you're only putting in $5, $10 per month, even $10 per year initially starting off, you're going to have some very good rewards at the end of a 40, 50-year investing cycle. I just put out a video talking about Stash Invest for younger investors who don't have a lot of capital. Stash Invest as well as Robinhood, 18 years old. If you're 18, you can start a Robinhood account. You can start a Stash account. Start putting money into the stock market and have that start working for you. And over the long term, you're definitely going to have a much, much greater rate of return than even if you would put money in if you were 25 or 30. So the earlier you start, the better. And again, you don't have to put a lot of money in, $5, $10. I put out a video, $5 until you're a millionaire. You can definitely do that. If you start early, by 18, by the time you're 50, you will definitely be a millionaire if you stick to some very simple investment strategies. So don't want to make the video too long. It's definitely possible if you're a younger investor to get onto the stock market, to get onto Robinhood. You simply have to follow these very simple requirements here. And it does go through the whole process as well. If we back out one screen here, it takes you through signing up for Robinhood, some of the personal information, and some other basic information behind the account, checking your application status. So you can definitely open an account. I would definitely encourage you to do that. Start investing. Investing is inherently risky. I'm not a professional by any means. So make sure that you read up on exactly what the risks are associated with investing. But I say put some money in. Start investing when you're early, younger. The earlier the better. And you can definitely have a very good return over the long term. So again, I don't want to make the video too long here. I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.